Hello, handy heroes. Today I'm going to show you how to super clean your sink. So clean that it'll look and feel brand new. And no, I'm not joking. After you guys saw the results of my last bathroom cleaning video, I got thousands of comments from you asking, what's the best way to clean your sink and tackle a stubborn clog? I got so many requests that this became the most requested video ever. So, as usual, I'm going all out, starting with my sink, which is completely covered in toothpaste splatters, soap scum, and hair. So, we're going to go from this to this. Here's our before, and then after. The best part is, after watching this video, you're going to be able to super clean any sink and make it look brand new, just like you saw, using these common products. We have some microfiber towels, which you should buy in bulk because we're going to be using a lot. Different brushes, a plastic and stainless drain snake, cleaning wipes, glass cleaner, a stainless steel shine solution, and various liquid cleaners. All these products are inexpensive, so let's begin the sink super clean process. The sink super clean process is really simple. Here's the breakdown. First, we're going to prepare the sink area to get cleaned. Step 1. Preparation. The first step is the preparation step. And although it seems simple, it's important to have all your cleaning supplies laid out right next to your sink. That's going to make it a lot quicker to clean and a lot more enjoyable because your products are going to be right there for you to use. It's also a good idea to put on some gloves to protect your hands from chemicals and grime and a mask, just in case some dirt splashes in your face or the chemical odors are strong. Now, what you want to do next, since we're getting the sink wet, you want to clear out any personal items. Remove your hand soap dispenser, any toothbrushes, cups, and anything else from the counter. This is going to make it so much easier to clean all the surfaces and get to the hard-to-reach spaces. The whole point of clearing everything out is peace of mind. Everybody's biggest concern when cleaning the sink is getting water or cleaning products on something they shouldn't. But with everything completely removed, there's a lot less to worry about. And then, when we're done cleaning and detailing the sink, we can put everything back, and it will look even better. Make sure your toothbrush holder or any other small containers are completely empty and dry before you start cleaning around them. With that, we are done with the preparation steps. So, let's move on to the next step. Step 2, uncluttering and unclogging. And our second step, the step that gets everybody nervous, is tackling the clog. This is where we take our drain snake and get to work. But you don't have to worry. I'm going to show you everything you need to know so you don't damage your drain. Now, a common question is, what's the best tool for this? I'm using a basic drain clog remover tool, which includes both a plastic and a stainless steel snake. In this case, I'll be using the plastic snake first, and you'll see how it comes out. So, let's get into the clog. The footage I'm showing you here is me carefully feeding the orange plastic drain snake down into the drain. I'm going slowly, and I can feel it hitting resistance. That's the gunk we're trying to remove. You'll want to gently push it and twist it to grab on to all that hair, toothpaste, and other junk. And when you pull it out, you'll see exactly what was causing the blockage. And wow, look at this. It's an absolute mess. This tool works like a charm. It's grabbing onto everything. I'll slowly pull out everything the snake has grabbed. It's a bit gross, but it's satisfying to see all that gunk removed. And just like that, the main clog is gone. The water is already starting to drain much better, which means we've successfully loosened up the blockage. Now we can move on to the deep clean. Step 3. Cleaning and scrubbing. Now that we've unclogged the drain, it's time for the deep clean. This is where we get the sink spotless. I'm starting by spraying a generous amount of liquid cleaner all over the basin. You don't want a lot of water getting on top of anything you want to keep dry, but since we've removed all the clutter, we can really get in here. This goes for any sink you're cleaning. After the cleaner is on, I'll take a sturdy plastic brush and start scrubbing. This brush is perfect for agitating all the caked-on toothpaste, grime, and other gunk that's stuck to the sink. It should come off pretty easily. The more surfaces that you could brush, the cleaner the finished product is going to be. So I'm spending some time here, brushing the entire basin, the faucet, and the area around the drain. For any really tight spots, you could grab a smaller brush. These work awesome for getting into those spots you can't normally get into. Now I'm grabbing my soft fiber cloth. After the brush has done the heavy lifting, the cloth will get into all the nooks and crannies the brush couldn't reach, ensuring I get every last bit of residue. I'm wiping down all the curves and edges. Finally, we'll rinse everything away with warm water. Look at that. The basin is already starting to look amazing. I can still see some dirt and particles, which we'll address in our last step. But for now, the bulk of the cleaning is done. Step 4. Detailing and polishing. Now, after cleaning, we're left with a wet sink. So, grab a clean microfiber towel and start drying everything down. This is actually a pretty important step. You want the sink to be completely dry before we move to the next step, which is detailing. And one thing you'll notice as you're drying, your towel is going to start getting dirty, so you're also picking up that extra dirt that you might have left behind. Make sure you dry those areas out well because you don't want any standing water. So, dry the entire sink, absorbing as much water as you can. Now that the sink is dry, it's time to make the stainless steel parts sparkle. I'm applying a shiny stainless steel solution to my fiber cloth and wiping down the faucet and the drain cover. This really makes a huge difference, giving the whole sink a brand new polished look. This product is going to protect the surfaces, but it's also going to give it a deeper shine and remove those pesky hairs. Then I'll grab a paper towel to remove any last bits of residue, especially those sneaky little hairs that seem to stick around. This final wipe down is key to a truly spotless finish. Step 5. The finishing touch. A clean sink in a messy area still doesn't feel right, so let's clean the mirror behind it to complete the transformation. I'm using some glass cleaner and a squeegee. This will remove any water spots and fingerprints, leaving the entire area looking crisp and new. And with that, the whole area looks absolutely awesome. We are almost done. We just need to put back the important things that we took out. So, let's add our hand soap and our clean towels and toiletries. And that is how you super clean your sink. Now, this takes about 30 minutes total to do, and it's really simple. Just take your time and have fun with it, and you'll get results just like this. And with that, the whole area looks absolutely awesome. There you have it, my complete process for an amazing deep clean. It's really not difficult to do, and the results are incredible. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cleaning tips. Thanks for watching.